Hello guys and welcome to Manoeuvre Education. Today in this video we're going to talk about the NMIMS NPAT 2023 tentative exam dates and the schedules. In this video we're going to discuss about the application form dates, the submission of application form dates, exam scheduling window, NPAT exam date and the declaration of results. So stay tuned in this video, but before we move further, we have already launched the batches for 2023 and 2024 where you can join the live classes as well as the classroom sessions. You will be provided with books, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos, topic wise test, full length and sectional mock test. You will also be added to a WhatsApp group. You will be given 10,000 plus questions to solve, and most importantly you will be getting a proper mentorship, and you will also be guided for the GD, VAT and the PI. So you can target for the IPMAT, GIPMAT, NPAT, CET General, Symbiosis, NLU Delhi, NMIMS and other various campuses. If you are Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can contact our centers at Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you are based outside Mumbai and looking for live classes on online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455, or else you can visit the official website www.manoeuvreedu.com for more information. Now let's head straight into the video. So now let's look at some key points of the NPAT examination which is conducted by NMIMS. So the tentative application form will be out in the 4th week of December 2022, which means end of this year. The application form should be out for the NPAT examinations for 2023. The tentative date for submission of application form will be 3rd week of June 2023. So till June 2023 you can submit your application forms. Exam scheduling window will be open from 1st week of February to 4th week of June. So if you want to schedule your examination as per your convenience, you can schedule your exam within this window, 1st week of February till the 4th week of June. And here is the big date, NPAT 2023 examination dates tentatively, which will be held from 1st week of April to 4th week of June. So your exam date should be anywhere between 1st week of April to the 4th week of June, after which your result will be out around July 2023, and your commencement of counseling, which is also known as the cap round program, will be in the month of July itself. So in the cap round they might ask you about your GD, which is group discussion, or the VAT, which is written aptitude test, or PI, which will be your personal interview round. So these three things will be included in your cap round. So we are in the month of August and your examinations probably will be in the month of June next year. So if you haven't started off with your preparation, you should start it right now. And once again, if you're looking for the classroom coaching, you can contact our centers at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. If you're outside Mumbai looking for live classes on online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455. Our team will get back to you. Do follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, take care and prepare well.